This is the third video in this section, and in this video we're going to talk about course building principles. I have already told that there are three main principles of building a course that will help you to make learning of the English language for 6-year-olds really effective. So, principle number one. The grouping of material. It is important to understand that we group it conically. What does this mean? It means that every year, or maybe even every other month, we will go back to the same type of material. Only at first we will give just a bit of it, then more and more, and by the end of the whole course the students will be able to build the whole idea of the topic. Next important principle is the use of categories. I keep repeating that categories are extremely important for the human brain. We store all materials in categories, and it means that we can use the categories for building a course. In this PowerPoint slide, you see a part of a speaking map, which is grouped in the categories, and the students use the categories for talking about fruits and vegetables. You see that here, for talking about fruits, they will use such categories as color, shape, and the fruit itself. And the third important principle of course building is constant revision and recycling. The 6-year-olds have a lot of information to remember, but they can remember it only when they recycle it all the time. So you will see that most of our textbooks are built on the principle of a reference book. The students can also always go back to this or that page and review the material. So, it is important to remember, if you want to build a good course for the 6-year-olds, that all material has to be grouped conically, meaning we start from small bits and pieces and it grows and grows from year to year, from month to month. We group all bits into categories because this is how the material is stored in human brain. And finally, we use our textbooks and materials for revision. We can go back to the topic and review it anytime we feel it is necessary.